Hi, I will teach you how to delete all messages on Discord. First, go to the channel that you would like to clean up all the messages of it, just like this one. I'm going to clean the general text channel under my server. So just right click the channel that you want to clean up and then duplicate it. So then hit create channel. Once created, the new channel will not have messages, but it will have the same members, same permission, everything. So now what you can do is drag this channel up on the position of the original channel, just like so. Click on the original channel, right click, and then delete this channel. Once deleted, now you have left with the duplicated channel with all the messages deleted. So that's all guys, thanks for watching and see you on the next video.